Are you tired of having to drive to the gym every single day just to get a good workout in? Well, look no further. I have here the UREVO portable, foldable, storable treadmill for at-home use. This is great for under desk, in a dining room like where I'm at right now, or anywhere that needs space to work out in. This is going to be super great for you. A few things about this is we have a foldable bar right here that adjusts easily with these two screws on the bottom. Just go ahead and loosen those up, and you're able to move the bar back and forth. When you find a good spot for it, go ahead and tighten those up, just like this. We have a 15 by 7 by 40 5-layer absorption track here to ensure a smooth ride with any running, jogging, or walking, guaranteed to be nice and shock absorbent. Okay, so you see we're in the dining room here. A great spot to work out, as I can quickly put this away and take it back out as needed, and it won't be in anybody's way. Here we have it all set up, and this accessory right here will hook on to the back of the treadmill like this. Super easy. And now you can prop a book, a tablet, or whatever you might want up on there. So you're going to want to take all the stickers off of the treadmill, all the plastic off, etc. Always remember to keep your emergency safety string on the bottom of the handlebar or it won't start. From here, we can have a couple different options here. We can go ahead and start the treadmill and just adjust the speed as you want, or we can go to modes. So we have distance, you can change distance, time, calories you want to burn, and go from there. So from here, we can just go start, and we were going to go ahead and start walking. Right now, you'll see it start going, and we can just go ahead and put this up to however fast we want to, or we can go ahead and press this plus button and take it up remotely as well. You can turn the sound off, you can change the mode, you can pause it. So I paused it, it's slowing down, just like this. Super nice. One of my favorite things, and I know it's so simple, but this right here is a game changer. Most of these other portable treadmills don't have this right here. For me, I put the remote there, I put my phone, my tablet, a book I'm reading, whatever you want to do, easily put there. And if you fall off, attach this to your hip and go from there. So overall, this is a great machine, and I highly recommend it, but we're not quite done yet, and I'll be right back. So with our remote, we're going to go ahead and turn the volume off, and we're actually going to demonstrate the usage of this treadmill, which is really nice. And hit the start button. This is a quick start, it'll automatically start. We're going to go ahead and up the speed a little bit on this treadmill. You can see just how quiet this is. It does come with, it's a very silent motor, so you know you're not going to cause a lot of ruckus throughout the house. So very easy to use. Go ahead and turn it up even more if you want to do that. Very, very easy. And when you're all done, hit the pause button. It'll slow down periodically, and you will come to a complete stop. And you hit the stop button on the remote or on the little console right here. All right, so here's the Smart app. You're going to first download it, click your device, and it's going to automatically find your device and connect it to your app. That is how simple it is. You can control your entire treadmill off of this app. There's a quick start, which is what I'm using here. Again, look at that, just quick start, and it literally will go. So you press that play looking button, and it will go ahead and start. And you'll see here that I'm scrolling to the left and right. That is how easy it is to control the speed from your phone. So even if you don't have the remote handy, you have your smartphone handy, and so it just makes it super easy to control. And when you want to be done, you just press and hold down that pause looking button there, and it will stop the belt for you, or you can simply pause it. But if you're done with the workout, hold that down like I am doing here, and you'll see it says that the device is slowing down. Now, we will go ahead and end this round. Boom. So it now logged this workout. So from here, you can actually go down to the record area. It'll show you the date and all the data from your workout, all the calories, the distance, the steps, all that stuff. And this is just an easy way to keep track. And this app is super easy to use. All right, I just wanted to recap what we've talked about today. We have this 5-layer shock-absorbing treadmill pad to make sure it's a comfortable, smooth ride. We have the remote, which automatically connects to Bluetooth when you power it on, or you can go ahead and use these buttons up here. We have this nifty book or tablet phone holder. We have the emergency strap, an easily adjustable handlebar. We have smooth rolling with the wheels, which makes it super easy to transport from room to room, put away, etc. My experience with this so far has been phenomenal. This is my second one of these treadmills, and I didn't like the first one. It wasn't as smooth. This one is super smooth, and make sure you grab it and just in time for Black Friday. It's on sale. Link in the description. Go ahead and snag this and let me know what you think.